Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the phone model and Android version so you know which settings appear. This matters because menu names change across updates. Once done, make sure the battery is above 10% and the device stays unlocked. Now open Settings, tap Apps or Applications, and then Default Apps. That's where system app behavior is controlled. You're taking direct steps to reach the controls that let Samsung Wallet stop auto-opening, rather than guessing which menu holds the option. You now choose Samsung Wallet from the apps list to remove its privileges. First, clear any defaults. Tap Open by Default or Set as Default and select Clear Defaults so it won't hijack intents. Next, disable background activity or auto-launch permissions. This prevents it opening automatically when triggered. Also inspect notifications and permissions. Turning off certain triggers, like NFC or wallet suggestions, helps. These actions stop the app from being the primary handler for Finish by testing the change. Tap NFC or simulate a payment flow to confirm Samsung Wallet no longer opens. If it still activates, either disable NFC temporarily or change the Tap to Pay app in default apps to another wallet. That isolates the trigger. Make sure to reboot the phone so system services apply the changes. If the issue persists, uninstall wallet updates or revoke its access entirely. These are stronger resets. Troubleshooting tip: if behavior returns after an update, repeat clear defaults and recheck permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.